Every year, thousands of pilgrims undertake this journey to the Basilica of Born Jesus. This is their story.
Hello everyone, I am Rohit, a Jesuit second year novice from Hyderabad province. I would like to share with you some of my pilgrimage experiences. So this pilgrimage was really fruitful and enriching, and this gave me profound experience of our Lord Jesus Christ. So before pilgrimage, I was so much excited, but when I came to know that I had to cover 120 kilometers just by walking, it was that feeling that gave me was so much anxiety, nervousness, and then so much worried whether I could be able to cover such distance. With all these mixed feelings, challenging, nervousness, and then anxiety, I set out with my pilgrim partner. So all the way with my pilgrim partner, I would share my spiritual experiences, my spiritual growth, and he would also share with me. So this spiritual conversation helped me to build up my relationship with Jesus and then Mother Mary. So as we set out, at times I felt so much pain in the bottom of my feet and the knees. I felt just like sitting on the road and then just lie down. But whenever I felt this severe pain, I would recite rosary. So we both of us with my pilgrim partner, we would recite rosary. After every 1 hour, we would recite rosary. So whenever we would recite rosary, I felt like I am being strengthened. So I continued my journey beside my pain. But when I recite rosary, I didn't feel like so much pain. I feel like I am being lifted up. And then I felt very smooth and walking and didn't feel any pain. And then along with that, we continued our journey. So it was I felt at times so much challenging because we didn't have phone, we didn't have money. So I had to totally dependent on God. So whenever I felt hungry and then thirsty and even for shelter, totally I have to depend on God. But whenever I was required all these, God himself came to me and then he provided all these things whatever I was required. So this pilgrimage was especially I had profound experience of God's divine providence. So I just want to say that this pilgrimage was to build up my relationship with Jesus and then have totally rely on Jesus Christ. So whenever I felt this severe pain, such as getting blister, pain on knees, I was reminded of Jesus's passion. But I felt Jesus' passion was nothing. My passion was nothing to compare with Jesus's. Then with all this pain, I offered a prayer intention for others for their spiritual growth and then to grow in their faith. And then as I was walking with all this pain, I felt like Jesus also walking with me. And in this moment, I experienced that Jesus is like lifting me and just is walking with me. I didn't feel much pain at that time. And then in this same time, I was reminded of one beautiful hymn that I would like to just sing in 2 sentences. Footsteps walking with me, footsteps I cannot see. Yeah, hope you all know this hymn and you'll understand the meaning of this song. So yeah, overall this pilgrimage gave me profound experience of Jesus. The peak experience of this pilgrimage was divine providence and the growing in the relationship with Jesus. Thank you.